Gina with WTI, and I vacuum my house twice a day because we get a ton of dust, debris, and I have a cat roaming around. And something that's essential is having a lightweight but powerful cordless vacuum so that I can just pick it up and use it whenever I need to without much fuss. This one that I got from Biiedy has been so nice because the battery lasts up to 20 minutes on high speed, and it does a really good job. The laminate floors, you don't need to use the high speed on, and so the battery will actually last up to 70 minutes when you have it on the low speed. I also love that this detaches so that you can use it as a handheld vacuum, and that was perfect for cleaning out my car, something I hate to do, but this did such a good job with it. The handle is comfortable and there's just a button on that to start it. And then on the front, you'll see the display. I like that it's easy to read and you can see exactly how much percentage of battery you have left and what speed you're at. And that's also where you change your speed. I also like that as you're charging it, you can see the battery life increase and it is a quick charge. This has amazing maneuverability. It has a low profile so you can get underneath things quickly, and it also turns corners really well. I can't live without this vacuum anymore. I think you're gonna love it, and that's my point of view.